5 Hidden Risks in Stocks. Move to Gold IRA before it's too late. Stocks have long been seen as a reliable vehicle for building wealth, but beneath the surface, there are several risks that can undermine an investor's portfolio. The market is unpredictable, and as we face increasing inflation, global instability, and economic uncertainty, it's crucial to consider alternative investments like a Gold IRA. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's why moving your retirement savings to gold might be the best decision you can make. 1. Market volatility. Stock markets are prone to extreme fluctuations, with prices swinging unpredictably due to economic shifts or investor sentiment. A market crash can rapidly erase years of gains. In contrast, gold remains a stable asset, often thriving in times of economic uncertainty, making it a safer option during market turbulence. 2. Inflation erosion. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of money, and stocks are no exception. As inflation rises, companies face higher costs, leading to lower profits and potentially falling stock prices. Gold, however, has historically served as a hedge against inflation. It tends to maintain or increase its value when inflation soars, safeguarding your investment. 3. Geopolitical risks. Geopolitical instability, whether it's trade disputes, military conflicts, or political unrest, can send stock markets into a downward spiral. Gold, unlike stocks, isn't tied to any single government or economy, making it a safe haven when global tensions rise. 4. Company-specific risks. Stocks are subject to the performance of individual companies, meaning if a company faces issues, financial struggles, management problems, or competition, its stock price can plummet. Gold, however, is driven by global supply and demand, offering more stability compared to company-specific risks. 5. Currency fluctuations. The value of stocks can be impacted by currency fluctuations, especially in an interconnected global economy. A weakening domestic currency can hurt stock prices. Gold, however, is a globally recognized asset that isn't tied to any specific currency, making it resilient against currency depreciation. Why choose a Gold IRA? Given these risks, a Gold IRA provides a secure way to protect your retirement savings. Gold's consistent value and ability to act as a hedge against market downturns make it a valuable addition to any retirement portfolio. By moving your funds into a Gold IRA, you protect your wealth from the unpredictable risks inherent in stocks. Stocks offer potential growth, but the risks are significant. By diversifying into a Gold IRA, you can safeguard your retirement savings from the hidden dangers of the stock market. Don't wait until it's too late. Consider gold as a stable, long-term investment option. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.